Hello everyone. So we are back with another video today, in which we're making SQL tutorial. Okay, covering a new topic as usual. So every topic is different. So to all those who are new to my channel, my name is Parag, and I make these SQL videos where I solve these questions live for you, so you can understand the way I think or what is the process of thinking that I usually follow when it comes to solving questions. The reason I do make these types of video, which are really practical in nature, is because I feel that this is the only way, and most interviews are around this way only, where you'll be asked to write a question, solve a question live. So, yeah, so I think these are the most helpful videos that can actually help anyone. Like if you are trying to become a data analyst or a junior data analyst or a business intelligence analyst, okay, or something like a even something like a product analyst. So there are a lot of roles which SQL encompasses, so you can learn to do that. So these are really focused on, if you want to get interviews and stuff like that. So yeah, so follow my channel and we'll keep making these videos so you can get skilled quite well. So yeah, in today's video we have a new concept, which is between, that I'll be going through. So it's an easy question, but I think you will be able to solve it. So I don't want to increase the difficulty so much that you guys cannot solve it also, and so you have to watch the video eventually. But I want you to have like a little bit of medium level of difficulty. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you guys so you can understand. We can start solving the question. Yes. So we are in the question today, and let me see what do we have. So what are the questions saying? Okay. The question is saying that write a query to find the most streamed artist in the month of March. So this is our, the thing that we is there. Okay, this is the most, the create and insert statement. Okay, as usual, guys, take your time out, pause the video right now, try to solve it. It's a good question, easy one. Okay, so you'll be able to solve it. Okay, so try to solve it, and if you're able to solve it, amazing. Okay, then I think these videos are helping you guys out, so that'd be nice. Okay, so you can just go ahead and put the create and insert statement, run the thing, and I'll show it you. This is the let me run the table again. Yes. So, yeah, so let's look at the question. What do they really want from us? Okay. So what I think they are looking from us is this. They are looking that we want something like artist name to be there in the output and the total playtime. And we have to do something like total. So, whenever something like total playtime, something like this comes, okay, my mind just has like this thought of two things. One, I have to use a sum, a sum function here, and if I'm using sum function, then I also have to use a group by function accordingly with it, so I can actually do the sum. Okay, so let me go ahead and just write down the, whatever the we want artist. Okay, let me first write the from statement. It's easy to song streams. And now you see. So whenever you're writing, remember one thing, okay, always write the from statement first, because that's the correct order of, writing an SQL query. So if you remember, when I did not have from statement, it was just showing me anything related to artist, okay. The moment I put song streams in here, I can see there is there. So I don't need to type it. So always understand, write the from first and then go ahead and write the select one. And as we know that we have to do like what? We have to do total playtime. Okay, so when you have total playtime, and you can just, let's look at the table first. So we have the stream ID, user ID, song name, artist name, stream date, duration, seconds. To be honest with you, I've, the question is a lot of things, but a lot of the things in here are just useless. We don't care about the stream ID, user ID, song name. Who cares? We don't care about it. We care about the artist name, and then we care about the stream date. Why do we care about stream date? Because it is in the month of March. In this data set, we only have March here, so there's not really a requirement. But if there was a huge data set, okay, of entire 2024, you will have to consider the concept of March. So we'll be employing that also. And the duration, okay, so, and the duration that has to be taken care of. Okay, so we're gonna do something like this, something like some duration, you know, sorry, duration seconds, okay, as total playtime. Okay, total playtime. Now what else? Okay, so I think this the first part is pretty correct in my view. Okay, and I have to use a group by function also for this, right? But before we go ahead and do it, you have to understand The main question is in the month of March. As you know that obviously the data just has set from like it has this, just the dates are just in March, but if there was more dates which are, let's say, in April or October, um, we'll have to do it. So I'm gonna do between here, okay, 2020, 2024, 403. So it's a very important thing to you learn to use this, okay, and you should know this very well, okay. Yeah, just go ahead and copy this, okay. 31. So we have this, okay. So we have a where statement. So we have solved the another important part, which was the question of, it has to be in the month of March. So if even if the data was outside, we'll get this only. And now we're going to do a group by function. As you understand, group by is basically what group we want to form. Okay, we want to form a group of the artist name. So for example, if you observe, there are X, Y, Z artists. Okay, we just want for artist. Let me go ahead and just do a group by on artist name. Artist name. Okay, so we have done the group by artist name, and let me see, what are we getting? Okay. So we're getting this data set, okay, which is there, okay. But if you observe one thing, automatically what it has done is that, it has, what should I say? It has, ordered it by, total playtime, but that is not a right approach. So for example, in some situation, because it is using the XYZ method, and Z has the lowest one. That's the reason it's showing 3. But you, as the question says that, you have to do it the most streamed artist. So we have to find the highest number, right? So I'm gonna do something which is ordered by some duration seconds. Okay, let me see if total playtime works here. Playtime. Okay, so total playtime DSC. Now, this is the correct approach because if the name, well, let's say if artist X has 320, it would have shown above. So when I've done this by total playtime, what it has done is that it has ordered it by the total playtime because we want it here to be has the most streamed artist, okay? And this is the correct approach to solve it. Now, if you observe one thing in the output, we only want something which is the one thing they are showing, okay? So how do we solve this? Okay, for example, you have to understand that, so what it means from this output is that they just want the top one only, okay. If they wanted the entire list, okay, we would have, so to get the only top one, okay, I'm just going to do this one. So we have to use top one in SQL Server. So but if you were, let's say, in MySQL, you would have to use something like a limit one here, like this limit one. That's also all right, but it is not going to work in here. So let me go ahead and run this thing and show it to you guys. So yeah, so the question that we wanted, the output we wanted, we've got it the same way. So a lot of good things to learn in this question, I would say, would be understanding of a group by function in accordance with artist name. Okay, how to use a group by. Very important thing to learn was, I would say, was stream between and statement. Very important thing asked in a lot of interviews. So keep that in mind. Okay, very important thing. Okay, this is something which you might not have thought of them doing it because a lot of people don't do it because they say, oh, artist XYZ 830, it is already ordered by. But you have to understand it was ordered by just through the sheer luck because XYZ had it same way, but you have to use order by always because they have specified it that you want it to be the most streamed artist. Okay. And yeah, that's about it for this video. I think this question top one. You have to remember that. Okay. So yeah, I think this is a good question in my view. So the question covered a lot of different aspects, I would say, from a lot of concepts between and then you had top one, and then you had when to use order by. So quite a good question, I feel. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you liked it. So if you really liked the video, I would really appreciate you guys if you could like give like 5 likes to this video. Yeah, it really helps my channel grow and keeps me motivated and makes me work, I would say. So thank you very much for watching this video. Till then, have a great day. Take care. Bye.